In the next few minutes, I'll show you why the Model Q feels more futuristic than expected, how its design tells a bigger story about Tesla's direction, and why this could be the EV many people have been waiting for. At first glance, the Model Q doesn't look aggressive. It looks confident. Parked in front of a modern home, the front view is clean and calm. There's no traditional grille, just a smooth black surface that feels almost like a digital screen. The thin LED light bar stretches across the nose, glowing softly, connecting both headlights into one continuous line. This isn't just styling, it's a statement. Tesla is moving towards simplicity that feels intentional, not empty. The Model Q looks like it belongs in everyday life, not just in a concept studio. From the side, the shape becomes even clearer. This is a compact SUV with coupe-like proportions. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, and the body surfaces are clean, almost sculpted. What really stands out is the subtle blue lighting, tracing the window line and wheel arches. It's futuristic, but not flashy, more like quiet confidence. Design-wise, the Model Q feels very deliberate. The flush door handles disappear into the body, improving airflow and keeping the side profile clean. The wheels are dark and minimal, matching the overall stealthy look. Nothing feels over-designed. Around the back, the full-width red LED taillight bar instantly grabs attention. It stretches from left to right, making the car appear wider and more planted. The rear design mirrors the front. Simple, balanced, and modern. No fake vents, no unnecessary lines. Step inside and the philosophy continues. The interior feels open and calm. A wide digital display spans the dashboard, combining driving information and infotainment into one seamless visual layer. The steering wheel is simple, the materials are dark and premium, and soft ambient lighting runs across the cabin. This interior doesn't try to overwhelm you. Instead, it feels like Tesla wants the space to reduce stress, not add to it. Everything is where you expect it to be. Is the Model Q too simple for its own good? Some drivers love bold grilles, sharp creases, and dramatic shapes. The Model Q goes in the opposite direction. It's quiet, minimal, almost understated, and that might divide opinions. Another big question is positioning. Where does this sit between existing Tesla models? Is it meant to replace something or attract a completely new audience? Tesla hasn't answered that clearly yet, and that uncertainty keeps people guessing. And that's exactly why the Model Q matters. This car feels like Tesla testing a new balance between technology and normal life. It doesn't look like the future shouting at you. It looks like the future calmly pulling into your driveway. For urban drivers, young families, or anyone who wants an electric SUV that feels modern without being extreme, the Model Q makes a lot of sense. It looks easy to live with, easy to trust, easy to imagine as your daily car. The design doesn't age fast. In fact, it feels like it will still look fresh years from now, and that's a quiet kind of luxury. If this design surprised you, make sure to subscribe for more future car reviews. Like the video if you enjoy clean, design-focused breakdowns, and share it with someone who's curious about where electric cars are really heading next. The 2026 Tesla Model Q isn't trying to shock the world. It's trying to fit into it, and that might be Tesla's smartest move yet.